Welcome back to another tech tip by appliance video. Today, we're going to take a look at why are there suds left in your dishwasher. Be sure to visit appliancevideo.com, where you will find thousands of videos on the latest technology. For a limited time, you could save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all our premium benefits. Appliancevideo.com. Do it right the first time. Let's go over the 5 most common causes for suds being left in the dishwasher. Number 1. Using a soap or detergent not designed for dishwashers. You should only use dishwasher detergent in a dishwasher, not standard dish soap or any other type of soap. Number 2. Using too much dishwasher detergent, especially liquids and gels, can cause suds to remain after a cycle. Number 3. Using detergent in both cups for shorter cycles. When the cycle selection is shorter than normal, you should only use the main dishwasher detergent cup. Number 4. Using generic dishwasher detergent. Believe it or not, you get what you pay for, and not all detergents are created equal. Major brand dishwashing detergents tend to have more adequate amounts of suppressors to prevent sudsing. Number 5. Not pre-rinsing your dishes. Simply pre-rinsing your dishes helps prevent sudsing. Detergents cannot work properly if there's too much solid food caked on the dishes and can sometimes cause additional sudsing. To remove the suds, open the door and sprinkle vegetable oil or salt on the suds. Wait for several minutes and then use the normal cycle without any detergent at all to flush the salt and the vegetable oil out. Or simply wipe them away with a towel. Hey, if this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.